Hi, this is Joe Young, Real Property Management. It's the 25th of July 2013. This is the move-in videotaping of the property at 3527 West LaCrosse Avenue. We're just going to start with the exterior of the property to get an indication of the overall condition of the yard. We have had some service work done here recently based on the tenants moving out and what the property presented itself at that time, what it was like at that time. I did want to bring to the attention this crackling of cement here in the driveway. It looks like it's definitely root bound coming from this tree on the adjoining neighbor's yard. It gives us kind of an indication how that root's come up. And I'm going to assume it's going this direction and causing that cracking of that cement and that. But overall, the property's in great condition, in that we have tenants moving in on the 31st of July on an early possession agreement. Their commencement date of their lease will start on the 1st of August 2013. And purposes of this move-in video are not to isolate deficiencies so much in the property, but just to get an indication of what we're seeing with the property on the exterior as well as the interior in that. It does come with AC right here, as you can see. This is the garage area here. It has a two-car detached garage, somewhat oversized in nature, and this property is on city utilities as far as water, sewer, trash. This is an area that went untouched with the previous tenants. We did have someone come out and re-clean it, or clean it up anyway, cut it down. It was really quite weeded back here, along with this side of the garage itself. Okay. The property does come with a lawnmower, which we'll show in the garage at this time. It's not an area that we're going to be responsible for as far as an item, but it's here for the use by the tenants should they elect to use it. It's just a Honda, push behind, self-propelled in that. Okay. The garage has been adequately cleaned out in that, and it does have a basic fire extinguisher, an ABC fire extinguisher on location as well. Okay, this is a parking area that comes with the property, and that it is a nice property. Roof's in very decent shape. It's vinyl sided, adequate spigots on the exterior of the property. We do have a little bit of a concern here with the rear deck or rear porch area. Probably this time next year, assuming we're still managing it, we will have that painted as it continues to chip away. Okay, we're going to enter the property at this time. The mailbox is on the front of the house. Again, the steps here in time need to be painted, and that. Carpets have been professionally cleaned. This is the living room, and we've got adequate window coverings on all the windows. We do have a little discoloration here around this vent. It's caused by the furnace more than anything else. And that. And again, it does have AC. We have checked all the light bulbs, and there's adequate light bulbs on location. This is just a little area, a little closet area here. This is our dining area with laminate flooring. But property shows very well, and our cleaning crew did a great job getting it clean and rent ready. Refrigerator. It is a Maytag refrigerator. No water dispenser. It's over under unit. There's a freezer. We have a GE electric stove. It's been adequately cleaned, and a GE built-in microwave with the exhaust fan attached to it as well. The kitchen's been cleaned, no evidence of leaking under the sink at all. And I'll just, again, trying to get a representation of what the property looks like prior to the tenants moving in. We do have 2 garage door openers that we'll provide to the new tenant. Here's the hallway. Again, this is a 5-bedroom property. Hardwood floors in the 2 main floor bedrooms. And again, adequate window covering. And the property is up to code as it relates to CO2 and smoke detectors. Again, here's another bedroom with a closet door to the closet there. Okay. This is the bathroom, recently remodeled. And we had a little additional caulking done by our handyman at time of move out. Vinyl windows and very decent condition. Hallway, smoke detector. This is a hardwood stairs going up to the upstairs area, which we're going to find a 3/4 bath. 3 additional bedrooms. They're not real spacious in size, but certainly adequate. We do have a pocket door here as well. And here's the walk-in shower here. There's the shower head coming out of the ceiling area. And the rest of the bathroom here. Very decent shape, very clean. Just the landing area up here could be used as a small computer room. We have a bedroom here to the left, blue in color. Again, adequate window coverings. And this is the last of the bedrooms here, with the ceiling fan. Okay. Again, the carpets have been professionally cleaned to the satisfaction of the property management company. We do mandate that on a tenant move out. So the next tenant that moves in, when they move out, they'll be required as well to have the carpets professionally cleaned. Lastly, we're going to go down to the basement, mostly unfinished. We have a CO2 monitor there at the top, carbon monoxide. To the right, we're going to have the utilities. We have a gas furnace, 2 additional filters on location, a gas water heater. And this is just a storage area. Obviously, water valve coming into the house. Okay. Again, there's the hot water tank, the furnace. Filter has been recently changed with, again, 2 on location. This is just a storage area with some additional light bulbs as needed. We also have the timer down here for the sprinkler system. It has been set. To our left here, we're going to have the laundry room. There is a washer dryer on location with the property. We have a Kenmore washer and dryer. It was not used by the previous tenants, but it's here to be used by the new tenants. This is an area that was leaking. We had our plumber come out and fix that so it would quit leaking and that, but it was definitely needed. It was no fault of the previous tenants. And again, as you can see down here, predominantly unfinished, certainly usable space in that. And all. Your breaker box is down here as well. And it does appear that everything's on. There's no trip breakers. Phone line comes in down here as well. And we'll just shoot back up the staircase here. And that pretty much wraps up the videotaping of this property at 3527 West LaCrosse Avenue, Spokane, Washington 99205.